Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Serious Bricks puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov and made by Filas. Difficulty level of Serious Bricks puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the box in such a way that none of them are gonna stick out, like you can see right now. And at a first glance it seems like completely impossible since there is no space to fit this part. But when you start removing all 9 parts, and this puzzle has 9 parts, you will see that on the bottom there are gaps, but they're not big enough to fit these parts or fit any of the parts inside. So at least we know that there is a little bit more space than we saw at the very beginning. So if you reorganize all the parts, you will be able to figure out the way how to solve the puzzle. If you like Serious Bricks puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first of all, remove all parts from the box, and we will start with this big part. It was like this in the box, you have to rotate it and put it this way. Next, as you can see, we have 2 parts like this, we have 2 parts like this, 2 big parts, one in the box and one in my hand, and 3 parts like this. So what are we gonna do next? So we have to grab one of these parts, put it next to the big one. Next, put this long part this way, and now put one of the small parts inside in this cutout. So next, grab this piece, put it here, grab this piece, put it on a side. Now we can stick this small piece right here in the middle, and we have space to fit just 2 parts, this big one and this small part. So as you can see, this is the solution. The parts are not sticking out, they're inside the box, and the puzzle is solved. That was the solution of Serious Bricks puzzle designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov and made by Filas. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!